Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In my next video, we'll be talking about what 1/4 is. How we break this angle of 90 degrees as 30, 30, 30, as 31 to 59, as 31 to 59, I'm sorry, yes, not 30, yes, 31 to 59 from this point here to this point here. In the first area, it's 1 to 29, skip 30. 31 to 59, skip 60. 61 to 89. When you open the door, when you close the door, first they open the gate, and then you can enter or exit. So you have no part. You have taken no part to the, and somebody has to open the gate. There has to be an operator. So at what point do you enter into the game? So this is one thing we're going to be talking about off of that last video. This is your 1/4. Everybody is connected to the same source. Could be outsourced. At the same time, and maybe in the next video or next few videos, we will talk about number 27. 27 is the alphabet divide. The alphabet divide saying, or the reverse alphabet, I'll start at the letter Z and I will finish at the letter A, and A would be 26 instead of A1 and 26Z. Also in one of the next videos, we'll be using the mirror images and overlap based on roulette. Roulette uses 36 numbers. We count down from 36 down to A. We have 7C instead of C3, which we usually have now. The reverse alphabet would be 24, but in this instance, it is 34. At the same time, the alphabet will finish on number 26. But at the time you get to number 26, you have reached the letter K on the extended mirror alphabet. As well, I will also start the alphabet at the number 19, which is the reflection of the first 18 according to roulette. We will also be speaking about, if I can ever catch up with all my ideas and relationships, is the 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Bring these two together. Electric company. 4 and 5, the sun brings in the birth. 6 and 5, 11. Brings now 5 and 2, earth, into the skies of Saturn. Then we get to, where are we? Then we get to 4, 5, 6. Then we get to 7 and 8 equals to 15. Where did we get that 15? 7 and 8 equals to 15. 9 and 8 equals to 17, 68, and that's the beginning of your gateway. And then we start over with 1, 2, 3 again. So when we start over with 1, 2, 3 over here, and the above before was 7, 8, and 9, we will have 7, 8, 15, 9, 8, 17, as we just did 68, the gateway, coming back to the one spirit. 7 and 1 is now 8, H, 8 and 2 TimeCycle to the gateway, 10, 15 and 3, C and O are part of the core of creation to the resident angel, the R letter. 10 plus 8 is this. 10 plus 8. The French told me to say it that way. 22 in blackjack is bust. Out of life, in life, death on earth, life somewhere else, because it's the letter V. V is the 22nd letter for life, but in blackjack, it's the first number that you bust. Crazy how things work, isn't it? Where is number 22 in Monopoly and other games? 22 cards, etc., etc. And guess what? The egg hatched on the 21st day. You need 21 days. Is it the 21st day, the 22nd day? You're supposed to be a day old into this world. So that's this one over here. The 27, which is the reverse alphabet, I'm going to use the word violet. In the word violet, and I have to leave the house. Is that correct, on? Oh, not yet? Okay. In the word violet, the O and L come together as the reverse. That means the 2 before and the 2 after create my 360-degree Y, and I'm dividing from the 27 to the left and the right of the total of 27. So any 27 I'll get, I will divide it up. So which gives me an idea that on the roulette board, right, when I get to number either 1, 4, or 7, or 10, or 19, or 28, that would tell me to divide it up, or 4, or 13, or 31, to divide it up. Here is number, I think it's number what? 33? 33 and 24 come together for 57 moon. 24, moon of day. See where 24, 36 together, 30, 11 outside. Over here, 11 and 30. That's how they crisscross. It's telling you a story inside these numbers. So the word violet, I'm using that word as they call violet one of the first chakras. And if tell me I'm right, tell me I'm wrong. But to get the word violet, we have to mix up the blue, the red, and the white. And when you get to violet, we're not using video for violet. Chakras, another thing I want to add on, that the word chakra in French, if you would say chaque, it means each. To each his own. Now we use the word each as expression. Orch, when now the command and the creation. Anytime you have an E and an A together, you automatically have the 1.25 world, the minimum 1.25 world. And that would be 1 part of 4. If you have the 1.5 world, you would have the image I showed earlier on in here. Here's one part of an image. Here's another part of an image. How your numbers come together. Hold on a second. We were talking about violet, the first chakra, violent, E.T., violin, 6 Roman numerals. There's a whole breakdown inside the color, inside the transit, the transit distance of color. And anyways, I don't want to get into this. I'm going to take a look at this if you want. Try to figure out what's on this page. One thing is the word violet is number 83. 57 black according to roulette, the moon. 26 red, God or the dog. When you put 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 3, 14, time on the cross. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. No more than 7-minute videos for Mr. Tackpans now. Thank you for watching.